好，小咪，请问我们今天要讲什么故事啊
？Yarning Yoga。
好，那我们跟这个妹妹一起做瑜伽，好不好？瑜伽是一种运动哦。那你准备好了吗 ？Yarning Yoga。Try to hold each pose for 3 to 5 breaths. Move through the poses at your own pace. Do all the poses or choose a few different ones to do before bedtime. 你已经开始做了吗？我看一下，屁股要抬高哦。对，屁股要抬高，对，就是这样，没错。好，那你做完要回来继续听故事啊。
我想跟那个妹妹一起。
对啊 ，Each exercise should feel good and get you ready for bed。这是帮助你睡眠的，所以叫做 Yarning Yoga。做完应该是想睡觉。Yarning Yoga helps me unwind. Thank my body, my spirit, my mind. So after PJ's brush and comb, I settle down with a gentle connecting with the soothing sound, connecting with the world around. Let's begin with an om. 应该是 om. Sit or stand tall, breathe in deeply and then exhale, making the sound of om for as long as you comfortably can. Repeat 3 times. 然后你现在要坐在地上哦，盘腿坐下来，像一个 O 字形一样。然后呢，你要一边坐着，坐下来，然后一边做一边发出，对，就是这样。然后一边发出的声音，你会不会？对，很好。然后要重复3次，然后一边呼吸一边做。很难吗？好，下一个姿势是什么 ？Mountain Tadasana. Steady and strong, a mountain so tall, quiet and still.
我也可以弄。
你也可以弄啊。I wait for nightfall. 这样子。Inhale, exhale, my breathing slows. Rooted, reaching air through me flows. 对，你要站得直直的，然后头抬高，是不是？然后吸气，呼气，吸气，呼气。Stand with arms at your side and feet hip distance apart. 像这样子站着，对不对？脚要稍微微微张开。Keep your eyes focused on a point in front of you. 然后你要找一个点，要看着这个点。你看妈咪的额头好了。Breathe in and out. Imagine you are a mountain. 然后呼吸，一边吸气一边吐气，然后想象自己是一座山。你是不是一座山，小咪？是的。很漂亮，绿油油的山。
绿油油的。
对啊，下一个动作是 hugs and kisses， alternasana， 对不对？抱抱和亲亲，抱抱和亲亲。我们来研究一下要怎么做。My head drops down like the setting sun to kiss my knees. Now day is done. Fingers wrap hugs around my toes. I take a deep breath and then my eyes close. 所以呢，现在要怎么办 ？Start in mountain pose， 站直直的哦，脚微张哦，双手放下来。Inhale, stretching your arms up to the sky， 手举高，举到天际哦。Exhale， 吐气。Folding at your hip， 来，要弯下腰哦。And let your arms dangle， 对，像这样弯腰，没错。After several breathe, slowly roll back up and to stand in mountain pose. 然后呢，是吸气吐气，吸气吐气几次之后就站直。对，再来这个你应该喜欢哦，扮成狗狗，这叫做 dog tired down dog。这叫做Idaho Mocha Savannasana， 妈咪不会念这一串，要研究一下怎么念。It's fun to be a dog. Pretend， 你想不想当狗狗？
我想。
Down on all fours like my best friend。对啊，你要像狗狗一样，4只脚着地啊！你看，准备好了吗？好，很好。 四只脚着地，然后呢，手脚都着地，不是四只脚手脚都着地。Down on all fours like my best friend, I wag my tail and nod my head, then shake each leg and climb in bed. 你会不会摇屁股？好，点点头。好 ，So starting on your hands and knees, tuck your toes into the floor and lift your bottom up into the air. 先把膝盖跪在地上，然后两只脚和两只手着地。Keep your arms straight and strong. 然后做一个像山一样的形状。Let your head hang loosely and gently shake it yes and no. 你要摇摇头 ，yes， 点点头 ，no， 摇摇头，点点头，摇摇头，对。然后呢，let your head hang loosely and gently shake it yes and no. Gently rock your bottom from side to side. 然后要摇摇屁股。Lift one leg at a time and wiggle it slowly. 你可以举一只脚吗？一只脚举高，然后再放下来。但是你要先弄成这样的姿势，对，像你做山一样，这样子，这样子，这样子，对，然后一只脚举高，很好，脚举高很好，好棒。换脚，右脚放下，换左脚，很好，不错嘛。这招是什么？小狗撒尿吗？还不错哦。好。好，接下来呢 ，seashell balasana seashell 扮成一个贝壳，是不是 ？Ready for rest, I curl up like a shell. My breath becomes a calming swell. A wave rolls in, count 1, 2, 3. 对啊，就像这样子啊。A wave rolls out back to the sea. 就是这样子，没错啊。你有没有全身？没有，手要放在外面哦，手放这边，对，手放这里，很好。你有没有呼气、吸气？你要睡着是不是？这真的是会让你想睡觉的瑜伽。好啦 ，Start on your hands and knees, then sit back, bringing your bottom to your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you with palms down, or let your arms relax. 你看，他把手伸直了，所以你开始要伸直。Along the sides of your body, palms up. 我哪里好笑？这是很放松的呢。Rest your forehead on the floor and close your eyes. 有吗？你有觉得很放松的感觉吗？哇，下一招是蝴蝶。蝴蝶真的这么美。对啊 ，butterfly。带着心子生长花花衣，你爱花儿，花也爱你。你会跳舞。花有甜蜜。对，好，蝴蝶招怎么弄的 ？A butterfly flaps its wings in the breeze, flexing and stretching, flying with ease. 对啊，蝴蝶翅膀要拍拍啊。After a ride through shiny moonbeams, I settle down in time for sweet dreams. 要怎么做呢 ？Sit up tall and bring the soles of your feet together, forming your butterfly wings. 所以这是你的脚就是像翅膀一样。Breathing in, lift your knees. 对，然后你的膝盖这边要抬高，这样像蝴蝶翅膀一样，这样拍。Breathing out, lower your knees. 所以吸气的时候呢，脚那个膝盖往上举，然后呼气的时候呢，膝盖往下。Continue flapping your butterfly. 哦呀，要不要看下一招？更多小昆虫好可爱哦！这是什么 ？Bedtime bug， 他们都要睡觉了。Lay on your back. Pull your knees into your chest and hold the outer edge of your feet with your hands. 对，然后你的双脚要举高高，这样子，用手抓住。你手可以抓住吗？对，就是这样子，就是这样。我来看看小咪做有没有标准。你在打混哦，有点打混哦。好难哦。 很难吗？不会，你做得很好，我觉得。然后 open your knees as wide apart as your torso. Move slowly from side to side to massage your lower back. 所以你就是没错，你刚刚做对，你就是这样滚啊滚啊，然后你就可以按摩到你的背。A bedtime bug rocks to and fro, back and forth with nowhere to go. Rocking left and rocking right helps me sleep all through the night. 哦，这么开心。下一个你可以起来，下一招是 Jelly Belly。Jelly Belly 看起来好可爱的，粉红粉嫩嫩的。When muscles feel all tense and tight, I do this stretch each and every night. I twist right round like a roll with jelly to soothe my back, my legs, and my belly. 可以吗？要不要试试看？先坐在地上，这样子。哦，不是哦，是躺在地上，是躺在地上。他说。Lay flat on your back and bring your knees into your chest. 来，躺下来，这样子，对，躺好哦，放轻松，我扶着你头，然后把你的膝盖举高高，放到你的胸这边，脚脚弯起来，脚脚弯起来，对，像这样子，Open your arms out to each side， 然后手手张开 ，like the letter T， 像字母 T 一样，手手张开哦，对，就是这样。Slowly drop your knees to the left side and take 3 to 5 full breaths， 然后呢，慢慢的把它放下来，把膝盖放下来，Slowly bring your knees back to your chest and then drop them to the right， 所以呢，放在左边，然后放在右边，像这样子。Taking 3 to 5 more breaths。所以就是这样子，有没有放松的感觉？下一个你应该很喜欢，这叫做 candlestick， 蜡烛可以扮成蜡烛哦，好可爱哦。
好糖啊
Legs being nimble and legs being quick.
好笑。
Legs upright like a candlestick. Legs be lively. Legs reach high. Flicker like flames right up to the sky. 所以呢，你准备好了吗？
好了。
Lay on your back and rest your legs against a wall. 你要躺下来哦，然后把你的脚脚靠着那个墙壁。我们那没墙壁，那你就靠在这个椅子上好了。来，这样子，像这样子，对，靠着哦。Wiggle your toes， 动动脚趾头，动动脚趾头，对。Keep your arms down alongside your body to keep your neck safe. Keep your eyes on your toes. 所以呢，你要眼睛要看着脚趾头，你的脚趾头在哪里？要看着脚趾头，脚脚举高，像蜡烛一样，蜡烛都伸直直的啊。这是小小咪蜡烛哦，有没有？我要看一下你的动作，有没有很棒？小小咪蜡烛，我要吹蜡烛了，哎呀，蜡烛倒了。好，这招还蛮不错的。我觉得你做完应该会累死，然后就会睡着了。好，下一招是什么呢？ Catch and release. Like fireflies caught up in a jar, my worries sparks like little stars. I open the lid, and worries released. With one deep sigh, I am now at peace. 知道这招怎么做呢？ Lay on your back， 还是一样躺下来，躺好了吗？ With arms at your side， 然后手手放在两边哦。对，躺好，手手放在身体的两边。对 ，Close your eyes and relax your body， 眼睛要闭起来，然后放松，很好。Picture in your mind the fireflies being released from the jar。哦，萤火虫飞出来了，好漂亮哦！想象一下哦，亮晶晶的感觉。Let go of your thoughts or worries so your mind is ready to rest. 把你心里面想的那些担忧的事情都放下，然后你就可以休息了。Allow enough time to let your worries fly away. 然后你害怕的东西、担忧的东西就慢慢的不见了。这个叫做 thankful， 感恩的知识吗？To thank you, my body now day is done. Each part I name, going one by one, relaxing down from head to toe, sink into the earth and let it all go. 我不知道，我要念一下哦。他说 Lay on your back and begin by saying good night to your face, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. 好，那你躺好，躺好，然后你要说晚安，脸脸，晚安，脸脸，
晚安脸，
晚安，脖子，
晚安我，
晚安，肩膀，
晚安肩，
晚安，手臂，
晚安手，
晚安，手手，
晚安手，
晚安，手指，手指。Then say good night to your chest, ribs, and stomach. 晚安，胸膛。晚安，那个肋骨。肋骨在里面。晚安，你的胃，肚子，对不对？
晚安我的胃。
我的胃。最后呢 ，finally say good night to your hips, legs, feet, and toes. 最后要跟什么？你的屁股说晚安，晚安屁股。
好像我。
晚安腿腿，晚安脚脚，还有晚安脚趾哦，好好笑哦。Take a big breath in and let out a big sigh. Ha! Now that your whole body feels comfortable and relaxed, close your eye, be quiet and still for a few minutes. 然后接下来你就是要眼睛闭起来，嘴巴闭起来，要安安静静，准备要睡觉了，放松了。好，下一个姿势是什么 ？Namaste 是不是 ？Namaste， 这是一个漂亮的小女生哦。Namaste。
这样子吗？
对，手掌要合在一起。This is the way I finish the day. Hands at your heart, hands at my heart. I say Namaste. 你有没有说 Namaste？ 对 ，The light in me sees the light in you. I bow my head and my light shines through. 来，快点站好哦，然后你要说 Namaste 哦。Namaste， 对，很不错。哎，你好，你做的很棒哎。Bring your hands together in front of your heart, says Namaste. 哦，这本瑜伽书就是这样，做完你应该要睡觉。你怎么还没睡？赶快啊，要昏迷了。晚安，小咪。你要躺在这边，那要不要听下一本？好，那我们来讲下一个故事。